Hello, today we're going to be doing the superhero edition of three-way switching and how it works. I brought with me a friend, that's right, the friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. And what we're going to do is just give you an illustration, because I think with the illustration it's going to be done so fantastic you're going to understand everything you need to know about three-ways and how to hook them up, how they work. So let's get started. Okay, three-way switching. Three-way switching. You've got three terminals on each switch plus a ground. We're just going to focus on the three terminals. So what we're going to do is, it's real simple. We're going to call these A, B, C. So A, B, and C. Okay. So on the top two screws on the very top of the switch, they're going to tie together, A to A, and then B to B. Now, on this switch, you're going to have power. Actually, you can put power on in either one of the switches, but one switch has to have power, one has to have your load, or like a light, whatever you're putting on it. So that's how this works. Real simple. One switch is power, one switch is light or load, doesn't matter. But your A and your B, they go together. A and A, B and B. Now, I'm going to show you real quick. If you want to learn how to do four-way, you simply do this. We break the connection here, and we add our fourth switch, or our third switch right there, which is a four-way. It's got four screws. Okay, so look at this. A, and we'll call this A2. And then we'll call this B and B2. Okay, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to take A1, one of our switches, and we're going to go down and we're going to go A to A, B to B, and then we're going to do the same thing down here. We're just going to take these over and they're going to go just like that. Boom, that's it. All we did was we added this switch in between these two switches. These two wires went here, these two wires went to the bottom, and now you've got a four-way. So, there you go. You learned something today. Enjoy. Okay, that was our video on three-way switching, and we also showed you how to do the four-way switch. Now, if you'd like more detail on that video, just let me know. We can show you more details. Hopefully that was enough. That was special for Jason, Brassfield Landscaping. You got to go check him out. He's got some awesome stuff too. Now, if you have any other questions, comments, leave them below. Thank you. Have a fantastic day. And as always, tell him Spider-Man.
Thanks for watching.
Oh yeah.